What's up guys, GirlInGrease here. Now I got a little Christmas present and I'm gonna show you guys how to install a charging station on your motorbike. Now I got a quad lock and I've always been going on some pretty long motorcycle rides, and my phone, I use it as GPS and maps and all kinds of stuff. So I find that it just dies really quickly. So I wanted something that can be recharging my phone as I ride, and then I don't have to worry about it. So I got a quad lock rechargeable, and so this is gonna be a quick uncut video. I'm not gonna do any fancy stuff. So this is what I got for Christmas. And I'm gonna show you a very simple way to get your quad lock hooked up to your bike with little headlight. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see here, you've got the rechargeable, and I've just got the case on here so you can see it. And then you can see the wire coming down here. So what I did, which was super easy, I wanted it to be in the position that was like, kind of like that. So you guys can do whatever you guys want for your setup. This can go all across the board. Right now I have a 2015 FZ09. And so yeah, you can use whatever you want. Now, I got this little stand that comes on the handlebar. You can get multiple different styles, but this is the style that worked for me. And so yeah, I put it in the position I wanted, uses this little spacer that's right in here based on the thickness of your handlebar. And anyways, so what I did was I took the wire and I came down right through here and I strapped it right there just so it's not flapping around, especially in the wind. And then what I did was I brought it down through here, and you can't see it, but I tucked it way up inside, all along underneath the front fairing, I guess you could say. And then here's the wire here, all the way underneath the gas tank, all along down here. And then I just tucked all the extra wire right in there. Now it does come with a little relay, or not really a relay, but I tucked it in here because the nice thing about this little switch is that it has a special little switch so that you can turn it off, auto, off, and on. So basically what will happen is if you turn your bike off, it can still stay charging until the battery drops. I think it's like 12.6 volts, it'll drop. Or you can turn it on completely off so that when you're riding and let's say you don't want to charge it, you just want to have your phone sitting there as just, oh, whatever, but you don't want it to be charging. So there's a little switch that can go off, and on just means it'll be on all the time. So this will just, as soon as you turn your bike off, it'll still charge, so it'll be using up your battery, but then it does have a fail-safe built in that once the voltage drops to a certain voltage, then it'll turn off. So I wanted it to be super accessible, so I shoved it right in this little corner here, just like that, so that I can access it, turn it off or on whenever I want to. This is the plug that comes standard on my bike, so if you have like a heated vest or a heated jacket, this is where you would plug it into, but because I don't really ride in the winter, I just plugged it directly into here, strapped it, and it's all tucked nicely up in here, up to the top, and then it comes out through the battery. So I'll show you here, I took the case off so you can see it. There's a little light here that will tell you whether or not it's on. So I'm just gonna turn my bike on a little bit here. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so now that you guys can see, the light is on because it is now supplying power. So it's a wireless charge. So if I would put my phone to here like this, it would start charging. Now I have I have this on auto. So what'll happen is it'll stay on, and then as soon as the bike drops to a certain voltage, this will automatically turn off, which is why it's called auto. Now the switch, if I want to turn it completely off so it doesn't drain any battery, I just flick it to off, and then you can see that the light turns off. So this little thing will be the one to indicate. Now some people are wondering, okay, well, how do you get it on and off? Well, it's a pressurized plate, see that? So how you do it is you put your phone at a 45-degree angle. Just so I can maybe get this way, okay? Maybe this way, okay. So 45-degree angle, push, twist. So you can go vertical, or you push the sides in, right here, and right here. You push it in, then you can rotate, and it locks. So you can go lengthways. Super simple video, and like I was looking at videos on how to install it. I wasn't finding anything that was super helpful. So what I did was I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do it myself, figure it out, and then I'll make a video on it. Now I'm pretty sure you can go onto QuadLock's website and they might have a tutorial for you, but most of those tutorials are so long and so tedious. So that's a simple way to plug it in. And it does also, I was gonna say, it does come with another little adapter that connects directly to the battery. So if you don't want to use the plug that you can use for your heated vest, or it's already in use, it does come with this little doomajinky here. Now you can use it to be in substitute so that you don't take up the power cable that you would use in your vest. And but because I don't really ride and I have all my gear that's nice and warm, I don't need anything heated, I'm just gonna use it. It's simple, it's easy, it's right there. And yeah, so if this video was super helpful, send me a like and a subscribe to support me in all of my adventures I'm going on. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year's. Thanks for joining me. I love you guys so much, and we'll catch you next time.